Invest in Emilia-Romagna deals with territorial marketing and investment promotion. It's managed by Arthur on behalf of Emilia-Romagna regional government. We are here at R2B On Air to connect with innovative companies and investors, to present regional assets and opportunities, and attract new investments in a favorable business environment. In this video, you will see the main reasons to invest in Emilia-Romagna, activities and services that we provide, and invest in Emilia-Romagna real estate, our new tool just developed. So, let's go. Emilia-Romagna is a European region in northeast Italy with about 4.5 million of inhabitants, one metropolitan city, Bologna, 8 provinces, Ferrara, Forlì Siena, Parma, Piacenza, Ravenna, Reggio Emilia, Rimini, and the whole region is made up of 328 municipalities. Now we will see the main reasons to invest in Emilia-Romagna. This is just a short introduction to our main assets. Emilia-Romagna is a region of well-being, with beauty, plenty of UNESCO sites, and awarded by Lonely Planet as top European destination in 2018. It's also an inclusive region with lower social exclusion rate than in Italy and Europe. Quality of life is very good, with higher employment and gross domestic product per capita than in Italy and Europe, and also a strong cultural offer. Emilia-Romagna is a well-connected region in a strategic position with transport infrastructures connecting Northern Europe and Mediterranean area. As concerns digital infrastructures, we are the first Italian region according to the Digital Economy and Society Index. Emilia-Romagna is a region of knowledge and research. There is a widespread university system, including University of Bologna, the oldest in Western Europe, but the whole system is strongly oriented towards Industry 4.0 and innovation. We are the first region in Italy for intramural expenditure in R&D per inhabitant. Our innovation ecosystem has a unique high-technology network integrated in clusters and technopoles. Moreover, there is a big data valley, a top world hub for supercomputers and data centers. Emilia-Romagna is an international and competitive region. The regional economic system shows a strong manufacturing sector with more than 25% of the total regional employees in these sectors, while national and European average is much lower. As concerns outward internationalization, the region is strongly export-oriented and is the first Italian region for export per capita. Attractiveness is also very strategic. Emilia-Romagna is open to new investments with also strong incentives. Emilia-Romagna is a region of sustainability and excellences, with more than 6,600 companies in green economy sectors, and we are a global leader in industrial machinery, like packaging machinery and ceramics, especially tiles. We boast the top world motor and food valleys. We are growing more and more in wellness with very strong biomedical and pharmaceutical sectors, and we are home of successful creative brands. Main activities and services carried out by investing in Emilia-Romagna can be summarized in several key points. Let's start from the first one, image building and promotion. Here is a short presentation of our online informative tools. Invest in Emilia-Romagna is the website for territorial marketing and investment promotion in the region. Managed by Arthur on behalf of the Emilia-Romagna regional government, translated in English and Italian, with country focus in 10 different other languages, like German. On the home page you find results of our policies to support investment, success stories, and many other news about the attractiveness of the region. In the menu in the home page you find first of all our contact point, a section for each step of the investment with detailed information. Facts and figures section organized in thematic areas with benchmarking at national and international level, and a description of each key asset of the region with a lot of tools like interactive maps and fact sheets with a lot of detailed information from main specialization to import-export, international fairs, foreign investors, and innovation ecosystem with a lot of interesting links. Brochure video are also available, and you can follow us on Twitter and LinkedIn. Targeting and networking is another important area of activity. We have meetings and relationships with operators and institutions at international and local level. Through our networking, we are able to connect global investors with local opportunities. At national level, we have a strong relationship with Italian trade agency, and we have a widespread local network. Facilitation and aftercare, along with incentives and policies, are part of the activities and services provided by the contact point, free of charge, that offers tailored information, support for the definition of agreements for the settlement and development of enterprises, support for identification of locations, and many other services. We are proud of our regional law for the promotion of investments that from 2016 to now has supported 52 investment programs, creating more than 2,000 new jobs and 17 new R&D centers open to third parties, providing 85 million euros of public grants. We also provide support for national incentives, such as the Development Agreement and Innovation Agreement. Investing in Emilia-Romagna real estate is the last tool that we have developed. It's the website dedicated to strategic real estate opportunities on the regional territory, managed by Arthur on behalf of Emilia-Romagna region and in collaboration with local territorial entities. Here is a short presentation. On the home page, you find an interactive map to explore the available properties and also filters to make a query, selecting type of property, square meters, and so on. You also have a selection of the most interesting opportunities and a focus on each province. For each province, you find a scenario description aimed at providing a better understanding of the context and the market in which you want to invest in, with pictures, summary description, and information organized in different sections such as population, demography, residential property market trends, socioeconomic context, with the focus on key sector, services, and cultural natural heritage, main structural infrastructures, with key assets highlighted, selection of top companies, and of course the real estate properties. You can select real estate properties also selecting one sector, and then you have a page for each property with a description of the main characteristics, features, and in that description of specific types of information such as accessibility. For more information on a specific property, you can fill in the form on the page, or you can contact Invest in Emilia-Romagna contact point. Now we will have a focus on some future properties, but please consider that our regional network is It's much wider and covers the whole territory, and there are many more opportunities. The first property is in the metropolitan city of Bologna, Naville Student House, close to one of the most important Italian universities. The property is presented by Francesca Villani, invested in Bologna, metropolitan city of Bologna.
Naville Student House area has a total surface of 130,000 square meters, with a building area of 55,000 square meters. Upon a specific agreement, the municipality of Bologna can provide incentives. The area will host students from all over the world in the most international university in Italy. Naville is just one of the 10 properties managed and promoted by Invest in Bologna. Our staff is by your side to provide qualified support, presenting attractive locations and simple procedures.
The second property is Reggiane Innovation Park, a very strategic location. The property is presented by Luca Torri, Stu Reggiane.
Reggiane Innovation Park is an area of 200,000 square meters available for new, innovative and international investments aimed at attracting companies and talents. The area is close to the Technopole, the Malaguzzi International Center for Education, the high-speed railway station, innovative companies' headquarters and R&D facilities. STU Reggiane develops and manages the property and is waiting for you to provide support and connection with the municipality of Reggio Emilia and the main stakeholders.
The third property is in Rimini, a very famous Italian touristic area, Fai Bene Italian Wellness Factory, and the property is presented by Gianluca Brasini, Municipality of Rimini.
Fai Bene Italian Wellness Factory has a surface of 10,000 square meters available for new accommodation facilities and congress center in the context of the wellness pole. The area is close to the Spa Rimini Terme, in one of the most famous touristic places in Italy, well connected at local and international level. This is just one of the opportunities in our territory. The staff of the municipality of Rimini is waiting for you to provide support for your investment project.
This has been just an overview. Our contact point is waiting for you.
Here is the team working to support your investment in Emilia-Romagna. We are looking forward to collaborating with you.
Here are our contacts and we are waiting for you at R2B On Air.